everyone, welcome back to the Digital Marketing Masterclass episode 2. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most crucial steps in your digital marketing journey, building your own website and a blog. Before that, if you miss episode 1 of this masterclass, don't worry, click the podcast in the above cards. Whether you are starting a business, launching a brand, or just learning digital marketing, a website is your home base on the internet. It's where your customers find you, trust you, and buy from you. So in this episode, I will walk you through step by step how to create a website and start a blog, even if you have zero technical skills. Let's get started. The first we are gonna see why you need a website and a blog. First things first, why is a website so important in digital marketing? It builds trust with your audience. It gives you a professional presence. You can collect leads, sell products, or showcase your portfolio. A blog helps with SEO, builds authority, and drives traffic. In short, without a website, your business has no digital foundation. And without a blog, you are missing a free and powerful way to grow online. The next thing we are gonna see is what is domain, hosting, and CMS. To build a website, you need three things. First, domain name. This is your website address, like your brand.com. Second one is hosting. Think of this as renting space on the internet to store your site files. Third one is CMS, content management system. This is a software that lets you create and manage your website. The most popular CMS in the world right now is WordPress, used by over 40% of the internet. The pro tip is choose a domain that's short, easy to remember, and brandable. Hosting companies like Hostinger, Bluehost, or SiteGround make it easy to get started. Most even offer one-click WordPress installation. Now we are gonna see how to set up WordPress. Once you have hosting and a domain, here's how to set up your site. Log into your hosting account and install WordPress. Pick a simple theme like Astra, Ocean, WP, or Cadence. Go to Appearance, customize to change colors, logo, and layout. Create essential pages like Home, About, Services, Contact, and Blog. WordPress is super flexible, so no coding needed. And if you want to make it easier, install a page builder like Elementor. It's like drag and drop magic. If you want a demo of how to set up a website using WordPress from scratch, comment below, I will make one. Now we will see some blogging basics. Now let's talk about your blog. Blogging is the heart of content marketing. It helps you to rank on Google through SEO, answer your audience question, build authority in your niche. And the most important tip for blogging is write a clear, valuable article with strong title. Use headings, images, bullet points, and internal links. Add a featured image and a SEO-friendly meta description. You can use tools like Ubersuggest or Answer the Public to find what your audience is searching for. Next, we are gonna see is how to optimize a blog post. First one, URL. Don't include numbers in your URL like year or steps. Shorten your URL as much as possible. Second one, image alt text. Include alt text, improves visibility to more people. Third one, meta description. It should contain maximum 150 characters. It should include long tail keyword. The last one is links. When linking to external website, consider having that content open in new window. Link to other helpful blog post on your site. At last, we are gonna see some pro tip for beginners. Here are some golden tips for beginners. Keep your design clean and mobile friendly. Install these essential plugins. Rank Math or Yoast for SEO, WP Form for contact form, Lightspeed Catch or WP Rocket for speed. Post at least one blog per week to grow steadily. And always remember, run is better than perfect. Start small and improve as you go. And there you have it, the basics of building your website and starting a blog for digital marketing. In the next episode, we will cover episode 3, SEO, how to get found on Google. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and drop a comment below. Let me know what kind of website you want to build. Until next time, keep learning, keep building and keep growing your digital skills. See you soon.